Hey, movers and shakers, do you want to know who sells moving insurance and how to get moving insurance? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to be talking about those two things in just a moment. Hey, movers and shakers, welcome to the Seven Figure Moving Academy channel. Glad to have you here. I'm Jay, moving extraordinaire, a title I just bestowed upon myself. Thank you so much. Anyway, we're talking about who sells moving insurance and how to get the moving insurance. Well, I have created a 60-page plus ebook that's for sale right now, and you can find that in the description below as well as in the first pinned comment. Now go down there, go check it out. It's an ebook over 60 pages, but we're going to be talking about who sells moving insurance. And there's over 30 different companies that I found. I didn't know this. I knew that there was bigger companies. I knew that there was a good number, but over 30 different companies that specialize in selling moving insurance to moving companies, right? Of course, we've got the big ones. We've got Progressive. We've got AAA. We've got State Farm and all those national brand companies that sell moving insurance. But then we have the specifically top recommended insurance agents and companies that the big companies and a bunch of other companies have personally recommended for you to go and get moving insurance for your moving company. Now, as a small moving company, sometimes it can be really, really difficult to find who sells moving insurance. Because if you go online and you type in who sells moving insurance or something of that nature, you'll come across all these other companies, but it's usually dedicated and specifically orientated to the consumers. It's not really directed to moving companies. And I don't know why that is. It's just the way it is. So you really have to go and start digging deep. Although it's easy to find companies that will do moving insurance to a regular consumers like Geico and all these other people, you can't really find the companies that are dedicated to moving companies. And that is what I specifically put together in this 60-page plus ebook for you. Not only that, I have gone out and laid out all of my strategies for you to get moving insurance. For you guys who don't have moving trucks, I've got a special section in the book specifically for you to teach you how to get moving insurance for your moving company, even if you don't own your own trucks. We go over several different tactics of how to do that, right? We also go over the secret qualifications that you have to pass before moving company insurance companies will actually give you insurance things. And now this is really kind of wild because these moving insurance companies will not tell you what these secret qualifications are. They don't want to tell you, but I go over them and I tell you how you could actually make yourself look better. Finally, we also go over and I give you the tactics of how to actually get moving insurance for your moving company, no matter if you're big or small, if you're global or national, doesn't matter. We'll help you get moving insurance. But we'll also do it in a way that teaches you and gives you the guidance to get the insurance that you need by using what's called local agents. That's right. We're going to show you how to find a local agent that's going to fight for you to get your moving insurance. Because quite honestly, getting moving insurance really comes down to finding somebody that believes in you and your company. And sometimes that might take a little bit, but the easiest way to do it is find a local commercial insurance agent in your area to help you get the insurance. Not only that, finally, we'll teach you exactly what insurances that you need. You need more than just liability or cargo. Believe it or not, you're going to need a lot more than that. You might even need workman's comp, but there's a business license, a terrorist license insurances, and all these other insurances that you will want to get for your moving company. And I'll go over those insurances of what you want to do because you want to be fully protected in case something happens. And with the last year, what happened and some of the things that happened within last year, other than the C word, there's a lot of things that can happen, and our future's uncertain, and you want to protect your moving business because you're in this business to create a lifestyle, not to create a job for yourself. You're here to create something that will give you financial freedom for you and your family. And if you're not here to do that, and you're just here to create a job for yourself, then just go find a job. It's going to be a lot better for you in the long run anyway, because with those jobs, they'll give you, benefits and insurances and all that. And you don't have to worry about the hassle of hiring and firing, marketing and sales and accounting and taxes and all that. You can just spare yourself that headache and just go get a job. But if you're serious about becoming a moving company owner, or you're serious about scaling your moving business to the next level, moving insurance is going to help you get there. Right? It is one of the vehicles that helps you take your moving company to that next level. And this ebook will help you do it. Now, this ebook isn't made for just everybody. It's not cheap, right? It's for the serious moving company owners out there. The people who realize that they have to invest a little bit of money to make more money. It's for those guys who know that they have to give something to get something. Right? It's not for the tire kickers. It's not for the guys who just want to join the seven-figure moving group for $1 and download all the documents and then leave before they have to pay their first monthly payment. Now, I'm not really knocking you guys. But, you guys need to become serious moving company owners, right? You're trying to become an owner of a company. Now it's time to start acting like it. And one of that things is investing in your company. Here's the good news. I'm not an accountant and I'm not a CPA. But here's the thing. If you download this book, and you buy and download this book, guess what? It's tax deductible. So it might cost you whatever it costs you right now, but in the long run, it's going to be free. Feel free to go down to whosellsmovinginsurance.com. Again, that's whosellsmovinginsurance.com. There might be a link right here. We don't know, but it's something. If not, it'll definitely be downside in the pinned comments as well as in the description. So guys, I have a 60-page book. You get free revisions for a lifetime. So every time we add or put new moving company, new insurance companies, we put new information on how to do it, you're going to get free revisions for life. Never, ever will you have to pay for this book again. You'll always get the free revisions, and it'll always be updated. I'll be constantly updating this book as I get more and more information. And you get those revisions for free. You'll get a special place to go down, and you can just download the free revision, right? So, guys, do me a favor. Go check out my book. Purchase the book, right? You say you want to support me? Well, support me by purchasing this book, right? And if it's too much for you, there are plenty of videos on this channel that you can go and take a look at. Now, those videos are not in any kind of particular order, and you might have to sift through several videos before you get the step-by-step process that's in this ebook, right? So I've taken all the guesswork out of you in this ebook. But if you don't want to purchase the ebook, I understand, no problem. But you can go and search this channel for those videos and find out what you need to do. Because all the information is there. Well, most of the information is there. Not all of it. I've left some specific parts, right, that are specifically for this ebook. But anyway, guys, I like you. I love you. Go and do something great today. Thank you. Bye-bye.